Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another DIY challenge. This is another month, another Look for Less. Look for Less usually hosted by lovely Yemi from the Latina Next Door, and she always have a co-host. So this month's co-host would be Lynette from DIY Beauty on Purpose. Both of those ladies are amazing crafters and DIYers. I've been following them for quite some time, and I'm actually looking forward each month to this challenge because you know it is a real challenge that you putting yourself up there, trying to recreate for less and trying to make it as close as possible to the original piece. So this piece that I have recreated today was on my mind for quite some times, and I found it at the Hobby Lobby, on the Hobby Lobby website, on the app actually. So I will insert the picture right here so you can see, and it wasn't as easy as it looked. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I can make it. Oh my gosh, I love that piece. So it will fit the perfect decoration for, and it's actually a useful decoration for me because I placed it downstairs right outside, right before you exit the door, so I can look in the mirror one more time before I go wherever I go. So anyway, this is what we will be doing today. Also, after you're done watching my video, of course, as always, there is a playlist with lots and lots of people who are participating in this amazing challenge. If you would like to continue watching, then just go to my description box and click on the playlist link, and it will take you directly to the playlist. So, but for now, let's start crafting. Okay, so for this project you will need a Dollar Tree mirror. I did not buy this because I bought prior, I don't know, about a month ago. I got a couple because my Dollar Tree running out of those. Then I cut out of the cardboard. It's not very thin, not very thick. It's really thin. I measured it because I wanted to put it on top. Then some jute, and yeah, I've been using it quite sometimes. This is what I bought on Amazon. This is $8 for, I think it says it's a 673 feet, and it's a wire jute. So this one was $8. So I will need to cut, I don't know how many, 5-inch long of this so I can make a petal, because I'm trying to make a flower out of this wreath. So, and it will look like that, you know. So, but for this one, we'll start, I will be wrapping the jute around the circle all the way around, and then I'll be gluing it on top of it, and then I will be attaching my petals. Okay, so I made one circle and it was 5-inch long. Now I'm gonna make it probably 7 inches long because I needed a longer one. And then we're gonna do one more round. Yeah, 7 would work. So it will make a bigger one. So this way it will stick out over here. Okay, so I did the second row of my petals, and now I'm gonna use it's just a cardboard. It's really thin, so what I'll do, I will outline the circle. So I would like to cover this. Okay, well, this is done. I did make a little loop because the original had a thing that you hang on, so I decided I made it out of jute, so I'm gonna wait until it's dry. But this is what it looks like. I think it turned out close enough. So, and I'm gonna insert the pictures side by side so you could see. I really like it. And it's only $8. Can't beat that. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit of struggle for me to make those paddles and trying to, you know, make them not to move, but I made it work and I think it turned out gorgeous. I really like it. Actually, my family like it too. So, and I will put the pictures side by side so you could see. And mine was only cost me $8 because the mirror was I purchased a while ago from the Dollar Tree. I really didn't purchase it this time. And then the only thing I purchased was the wire jute. The rest was just things around the house that I made it work with that piece. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Again, thank you girls for hosting this challenge. I really enjoy participating. But for today, this is all for me. And I will see you in the next video real soon. Bye.